Hello guys, and welcome to another weekly news video. I am Styliana Charalambous, the head of investments and market research at Pure FinTech, and in today's video we're going to sum up the previous week's highlights, especially what happened in the cryptocurrency market in the previous week, and we're going to see the news and how the market reacted to those news. Moreover, we'll have a look on the major economic events of the current week. Before we start, I have to make sure that you already know that this is not financial advice. We create high quality information videos, but only for educational purposes. I would like to start this video with what happened during the previous week in the crypto markets, which caused crypto markets to crash and lose more than $1 trillion in market value. The jarring turndown that's been a hallmark of digital assets in recent weeks continued to play out this week and into Saturday, with Bitcoin at one point losing more than 15% during that stretch. The coin, which is the largest digital token, has dropped more than 50% from a recent peak, and many other cryptocurrencies have lost just as much, if not more. But crypto fans have an infinite supply of optimism, and many are confident that with Bitcoin already spending 2/3 of the year in the red, better times could come soon. The news cycle has been relentless. Regulators from Russia, the UK, Singapore, and Spain all announced interventions that could undermine crypto companies looking to grow in those regions, while tightening US monetary policy left traders anticipating several interest rate hikes this year. Meanwhile, the Biden administration is preparing to release an initial government-wide strategy for digital assets as soon as next month and task federal agencies with assessing the risks and opportunities that they pose, according to people familiar with the matter. That weighed on Bitcoin enough to send it to within a whisker of $34,000 on Saturday. Roughly 290,000 traders had left their positions closed over 24 hours through Friday evening in New York, with liquidations totaling more than $1.1 billion. While there have been much larger percentage drawdowns for both Bitcoin and the aggregated market, this marks the second largest ever decline in dollar terms for both, according to a Friday note from Bespoke Investment Group. The largest ever occurred last summer, when a decline that peaked at the end of July wiped out $646 billion for Bitcoin. It remains to be seen if Bitcoins tumble below the psychological level of $40,000, which serve as an inflection point. Crypto proponents say that heavy liquidations often serve to cut out the fourth in easy win assets speculating, helping to solidify new bottoms in the market. Now, let's move into the current week's news. We have the Fed, FOMC, and Bank of Canada meetings, United States Q4 GDP. The first Fed FOMC meeting of the year will unfold this week. Recent indicators have pointed to the Fed commencing their rate hikes as early as the March meeting, which leaves the upcoming meetings on track, the Fed's signal of the imminent hike. The first Q4 GDP reading will also be due in a week, where the market will be closely tracking earnings. Many economists are meanwhile expecting the Bank of Canada to start hiking rates at its Wednesday meeting. This week we also have the flash PMI for January. The early flash PMI data for January will be released today across developed economies, including the US, UK, Eurozone, Japan, and Australia. December's PMI points to global growth momentum slowing amid the Omicron variant's hit, although manufacturing production growth accelerated as supply disruptions eased. The Omicron variant spread has since extended, and various developed countries have seen their COVID-19 conditions remain severe to the start of 2022. That's all the news we have for the current week, guys. If you have any questions or if you want to open a trading account with us, you can contact us through our website or our social media. We'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you for watching and wishing you a profitable trading week.